Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about subtracting integers. You should be on RN2 on the front. Subtraction is the same as adding the additive inverse. Now, an easy way to remember additive inverse is it just means adding the opposite. So when we subtract, we're going to change our subtraction to adding the opposite. Now, if you look at the little star has a little way to help you remember what to do with subtraction. And when we subtract, we add a line and we change the sign. So in the box, you have the four types of subtraction problems: a positive minus a positive, a negative minus a positive, a negative minus a negative, and a positive minus a negative. And what we're going to do is we're going to change each one of these to an addition problem. So 4 minus 6, I'm going to add a line, make that addition. I'm going to change positive 6 to negative 6. So my problem is 4 plus negative 6. I didn't change 4. I added a line, and I changed 6 to negative. Negative 3 minus 2. I'm not going to touch negative 3. I'm going to add a line to make that subtraction addition, and I'm going to change positive 2 to negative 2. My new problem is negative 3 plus negative 2. Negative 5 minus negative 7. I'm going to leave negative 5. I'm going to add a line and change that subtraction to addition, and I'm going to change that negative 7 to a positive 7. And then finally, 6 minus negative 3, I'm going to add a line to change that from subtraction to addition, and I'm going to change negative 3 to positive 3. So now what I have are 4 addition problems, and I'm going to solve them by following my rules of addition. So let's practice rewriting. Let's take a look at 1 through 6. So on number 1, I'm going to keep negative 5. I'm going to change subtraction to addition, and I'm going to make that positive 8 negative 8. So my new problem is negative 5 plus negative 8. Number 2, I'm going to keep positive 6. I'm going to change subtraction to adding. I'm going to change negative 5 to positive 5. My new problem is 6 plus 5. On number 3, I'm going to keep negative 2, change subtraction to addition, and change positive 8 to negative 8. So I'm just rewriting each problem as an addition problem. Number 4, negative 3, change subtraction to addition, change positive 9 to negative 9. Number 5, keep 17, change subtraction to addition, make positive 8, negative 8. And then on number 6, keep 4, change subtraction to addition, change negative 12 to positive 12. So I have rewritten each subtraction problem as addition. Okay, on the last 9 problems, we're actually going to change them, and then we're going to solve them. So, number 7, 3 plus positive 8. Add a line, change the sign. 3 plus 8 is 11. On number 8, keep negative 4 plus, change negative 16 to positive. Now, these are different signs, so I have to subtract, and 16 has the greater absolute value, so my answer is positive 12. Number 9, 12 plus 9. Add a line, change negative 9 to positive 9. 12 plus 9 is 21. Number 10. 7 plus 8. Add a line, change the sign. 7 plus 8 is 15. Number 11. Negative 12 plus negative 8. Two negative numbers. I'm just going to add them like I always do. Keep the negative sign. Negative 20. Number 12. 4 plus positive 9. Add a line, change the sign. 4 plus 9 is 13. Number 13. 1 plus 10. Add a line, change the sign. 1 plus 10 is 11. Number 14. Negative 3 plus 8. My signs are different, so now I'm going to subtract. 8 has the greater absolute value. So 5 is my answer. And then finally on number 15, negative 20 plus 18. Signs are different, so I'm going to subtract. 20 has the greater absolute value. So my answer is negative 2. So when we subtract integers, we're going to add the opposite. Add a line, change the sign. If you have any questions, bring them with you to class tomorrow.